Me gonna grab my popcorn, sit down in my nice comfy chair, and pre some JPL action on Sunday. Watch Lime Hall take on a team. What this? Yes, people. At the last minute, the JFFF and the JPFL have decided to postpone the Sunday fixtures of match week 2. And they have done this for the sole reason for us to go and support the Reggae Girls who have a match against Guatemala in the CONCACAF Gold Cup at 5 p.m. on Sunday. Why? Let me read exactly what them say in their press release. The Professional Football Jamaica Limited is advising that due to playing of the CONCACAF Women's Gold Cup qualifying game between Jamaica and Guatemala at the National Stadium on Sunday, October 29, 2003 at 5 p.m., the Jamaica Premier League games that were scheduled for the stated date has been postponed until further notice. Details regarding the rescheduling of the games will be communicated once finalized with the JFF competition department. Kindly note that the games slated for Monday, October 30, 2023 will not be affected by the postponing notice. We implore our fans to go out and support the Reggae Girls at the office. We look forward to seeing you at the next JPL event. Boy. Alright, look, I'll be honest with you. The idea of not having JPL matches during the running of a Jamaica national team is a bit understandable, but it is more in commonplace when the men's team are playing. It is a bit out of place worldwide that you stop a men's competition for a women's national team. But again, I understand in this case, the women program really need the support. These Reggae Girls that we have here who put up a spirited performance in the first match, them need the support. So I don't really blame them for that, you know. My issue is that the JFF know the schedule of the JPL as well as the Reggae Girls match long ahead. And it had to come to Friday morning or Thursday night for this last minute postponement to happen. It is reek of poor organizational skills or reek of poor communication skills why all these postponements and hoorah have to happen at the last minute. So again, I don't really mind the postponing, you know. It's so like a lot of fans, a lot of Jamaican fans really was hating the idea of splitting their attention between the JPL and the women's matches, so they have spoken. I understand that, and it is no mean that we only have 2 matches this match week. It is a bit troublesome as well that, you know, the league just started already having so much team mismatch in terms of games played, and it's hard to get in a rhythm when you play one match and then it's a bye week, the second match, and you have to jump in again the following week. So some people can even ask, is this fair when the other teams who have to play the full matches all the way through compared to those who, you know, get them break here and there? But for now, that is the stance made, so let us just focus on the 2 matches that will be playing on the Monday night, because you know that's a big night anyway. First night we have Molynes again on Monday versus Arnett again. And interestingly enough, this one is going to be at Stadium East at the National Stadium. So Molynes United, who had a dour first match in the league last week, I honestly didn't see they produce much at all, and you assume that, you know, I would like to see they shake some things up front at least, but them going to put them best foot forward and try at least secure them first win. This is technically a home match for them, so we'll see. Arnett was really good in them first half, you know, against Dumbo last time out, and they would like to at least seem to put away some of those chances going forward. It's going to be interesting to see how them pull it off. Again, Xavier Gilbert, I don't think he will be there for this match, as well as them lose Fabian Davis to a contract over India. So they need somebody to step up in a goal scoring department, and it will be interesting to see if they can pull it off, because the build-up play was pretty good. Just the finishing was lacking in the last match. In the nightcap though, we have Waterhouse versus Montegobay United. Again, well, it's only 2 matches, but I already thought this was going to be the game of the round, because Waterhouse are desperate, I think. I know it's only 2 matches, but Waterhouse, they want to kickstart them campaign, get a win under them belt, and get some confidence going. So the Waterhouse, but I feel are going to come out hard in this game. I'm surprised this game is not at Jerusalem. You know, I think they want to keep the Monday nights as a double headers, but I think they'd prefer it at Jerusalem, because Jerusalem have light now, so I'm surprised it's not at Jerusalem, but it's at Stadium East at 7:30 p.m. kickoff time. And Mobay now, who find a spirited line ball and surprise them in the first game, or just looking to further gel them Brazilians into the lineup, I feel. They didn't play really bad against Lime Ball, right? But you could argue that, you know, you're the seasoned team and Lime Ball are the newcomers. They should have really take a point, more than a point there. But Bobby, I go on the road again, feel harsh too, right? Traveling again. So let us see if them number 10, Ferreira, can string a bit more passes with them up front with them tall striker. Them need goals as usual. Hopefully this goes this Monday night, because last Monday we got 0 goals. So it'll be an interesting matchup between Waterhouse and Montegobay United. As for my predictions now, boy, I gotta be honest with you, I think Arnett is gonna eke out a 1-0 against Molynes in the first match. As for Waterhouse and Montegobay, I feel it's going to be 2-1 Montegobay United against Waterhouse. Why, you know, Firehouse fans don't want me here say that, but just a prediction, people. Really hope they're gonna do something well and perform well, but I just feel Montegobay United might eke out a win in this one, because Waterhouse is low on confidence. But you never know, they score first and all that might click and go into action. But anyway, guys, that's all for match week 2, and that's it for this week's preview show. Join us Tuesday. Return Tuesday, we'll have the review show for the 2 matches, right? Or we might postpone it to Wednesday to incorporate the second leg of the Cavaliers versus Harborview, who, of course, once again, got a bye this weekend. And because their buys, Humble Lions and Tivoli was not going to play this weekend anyway. So yeah, that's it here again from Jamaica Fan, match week 2 preview. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the idea, or the decision, I should say, to postpone the Sunday fixtures, as well as let me know, are you going to the Reggae Girls match, or would you prefer to have your league matches still going on? Let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, subscribe for more on all information on the Jamaica Premier League. Again, for YouTube, keep it locked here at Jamaica Fan.